Friends, welcome back to my channel. So my today's topic is meditation. How meditation can benefit us. What are the things that we can get from meditation? So meditation has definitions by various people. Various people has talked about meditation, how it is and how to achieve your meditative power, etc, etc. So today I will be discussing about my own experiences. So what is meditation? Meditation, as we are told, like you sit quietly on a place and you keep your eyes closed and try to put your focus, your overall concentration on one point. So this is just always told to do meditation, but I will tell you here, meditation it is not just like this. It's like this, but it's not exactly what it's been told. So one has to understand the meaning of meditation, because many a times I saw people saying, oh God, what's the point of sitting like that and thinking about something, or how can we bring our point to our focus on something, because a lot of many things are going out there, sounds, people chattering, so it's not easy to concentrate. So how can we do that, and what's the point of doing that thing? So meditation is something, when you look at some, you can take, like when you look at some leaves, or when you look at some nature, some pictures, some paintings, whatever it is, when you look at those things, just trying to understand what is inside it, or minutely how it is made, what are the things involved in it. So this is kind of a detailed thing. You can many of you, I wish many of you have heard about reading newspaper. There are many people out there who talk about their newspaper reading, that they love reading newspaper, and what they do is they read from the first line to the last line to the last page. So how they do that? This is what they are bringing concentration to that. So they are totally putting their focus on, and hence they would know what is in the newspaper. So it's always easy for them to understand what's going on around this world, because whatever coming through that newspaper they have already read. So with this we can understand that they read the newspaper very thoroughly. So this is kind of a meditation, you can see. This is kind of a meditation. At that point, maybe it's for 10 minutes or 15 minutes or 20 minutes, they put their concentration, total focus on the newspaper, and they are reading it thoroughly, and thus that is what they are meditating right there. So next comes, you can see that many of the science students know it very well, that when it's a very bright sunny day and you just take a magnifying glass and like put it on the sun, like put a paper on the table or on a surface and hold that magnifying glass and try to put that like the sun say, you have to put your magnifying glass such like that the rays from the sun would come into a dot. Then after few minutes, only it will take 4 to 5 minutes, and you can find that the paper will start to burn, because the whole of the energy is getting concentrated and focused on that particular surface. So this is what meditation is. Meditation is that we have to gather our wisdom, knowledge, and through our observation power from surroundings, and it depends on how much focused on those things we are, how much actively focused. Not just only focused, we have to be actively focused. So of course, this is what meditation is. Look, in today's time, most of the people are busy with disco, pubs, food, drinks, gossips, accessories, materials, luxuries. You will find very few people who are interested in life, to observe the life, how these things are going on, how things are changing, how world is changing through the time, how human behavior is changing. So this kind of observations are meditation. If you thoroughly observe something with your eyes open, that is also meditation. So meditation is that you are putting your focus strongly on something for over a period of time, and you achieve that enlightenment. I have made a video on enlightenment. When will you understand you are enlightened? I will put a video on that also after few days. So when you get enlightened through this kind of meditation. So meditation and enlightenment are like friends. If you start meditating, if you get the power to meditate, you will slowly be enlightened in life. What is life? How life works, how things are changing. Very few people we have in this world who are observing these things. Most of the people are just busy on enjoying their life, and this kind of enjoyment has nothing impact, no good impact on anyone. Only it's creating problem throughout the life, creating trouble in human health, in human mind. So this kind of temporary funds, temporary enjoyments are destroying the life. So hope this was helpful to you, friends. I have given you what is meditation. Of course, meditation is something that we focus. Now comes how we get benefit from meditation. So here I'll put another video. Just check on my video list, my channel Life Solutions by Shantni, and you will get it then and after. So bye bye, friends. Hope you all are good and stay healthy, stay safe.